GSL-1700X-ASD-80 is a fully automatic tube furnace with an 80mm ID alumina tube and 1700 degrees Celsius maximum working temperature. It automates the vacuum sealing, purging, and pressure control, vacuum or positive, heating, cooling, and flange opening in a sequence via one click operated by a PC. Automation of sample loading can also be realized via an optional robot, including remote control, data logging, sample loading, and unloading for AI material research. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.